Welcome to Seeding Our World, LLC. Introducing the Three Sisters Establishment Kit, also called the 3-Sec. The Three Sisters growing method was and still is an incredibly simple and productive way of growing crops. This method was created by the indigenous populations of North America 5,000 years ago. The Three Sisters method is as follows. Create a hole that is approximately 12 feet in circumference and 2 feet deep. Add all essential nutrient components and ensure this is done the season prior to planting. Also, the area where the 3-Sec is placed should receive 8 hours worth of sun. To aid in pest prevention, surround with an 8 to 12 feet tall metal wire fence that goes almost a foot below the earth. It is also advised that a drip irrigation line that is on a regularly scheduled timer, powered by solar or wind, is added to the system. The finalized system should appear something like this. Modify to your specifications. First, the corn is planted within the soil approximately 3 inches away from each other. The pattern of planting can be made to personal preference. Once the corn is 7 to 8 inches tall, plant 3 to 4 beans around the base of the corn. The squash seeds are also planted alongside the beans in groups of 2 to 3, 4 inches apart from each other. The corn functions as a trellis or pole for pole and semi-pole beans to climb. The beans provide nitrogen to the corn and squash. Finally, the squash aids in the prevention of evaporation and invasion of weedy species. By purchasing a 3-Sec, you can ensure a better tomorrow for generations to come. The following materials are recommended. Ancient Civilizations of North America by Edwin Barnhart. Food, A Cultural Culinary History by Ken Albala. Lost Worlds of South America by Edwin Barnhart. This video was brought to you by We Who Sow.